Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Kurnool location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a vacancy for collection associate position, cross-sell. It is from HDB Financial Services located in Kurnool location, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to job description, taking care of collection and recovery in cross-sell portfolio, handling individual collection portfolio, updating visit trails and money collection details on mobile app, 100% visit on all cases and tracking asset utilization and availability, managing daily and weekly targets as to facilitate the monthly targets, ensuring adherence to processes, compliance and audit related activities. Please you need check with all the description provided here. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about the job position. Next, there is a vacancy for primary teachers from Ridge School located in Kurnool location. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, and they are looking for the teacher positions for to teach the classes for first class to fifth class, to teach various subjects like English, mathematics, science and social. Minimum 3 years of experience is needed in a CBSE school. Minimum qualification will be degree or postgraduate degree in relevant subject and BEd. Job location will be Ridge School, Kurnool location, Andhra Pradesh. They are going to provide free accommodation on campus. So you please check with the responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 779966000044. Next, there is a vacancy for female telecaller from Mallareddy Infra Projects Private Limited. It is located in Kurnool location, Andhra Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 7,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. You please check with the all details provided here for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the phone number, that is 9959504965. Next, there is a vacancy for sales executive position from Mallareddy Infra Projects Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. Next, you please check with the all responsibilities and the skills needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the phone number, that is 9959504965. Next, Aditya School is hiring for the faculty or teacher positions. They need English medium teachers for English, Maths and EVS for nursery to 5th classes. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the contact number, that is 9490130596. There are some job openings for teachers or faculties for Pragna Bharati School. They are looking for the teachers for science, social, HS teachers and mother teachers for PS, and you should be having fluency in English. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, or else you can send your resumes to the provided WhatsApp number, that is 99490122215. Next, Tagore High School is hiring for the teacher positions to teach classes for 10th class. You need to teach physical science subject and 1 to 5th classes for all subjects. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number. They are also provided here the address details. The phone number is 94416577732. Next, there are vacancies from Vijayata High School. They are hiring for the positions for lady teachers for social studies. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9492198651. Next, Sri Sai High School is hiring for the positions for teachers, lady graduates to teach lower classes for all subjects and Telugu, English and higher classes. So they have provided here the contact address. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9848607343. Next, there are some job vacancies for collection executives and MIS Excel. So interested candidates for these positions, you can contact with the given phone number for additional information. The phone number is 6300139733. Next, there are some job vacancies for teachers. Vacancy for English teachers to teach for 6th to 10th grade. It is from KVR High School located in Kurnool district. So they have provided here the contact address and the contact numbers. First one 9133345191, second one 8639708339. Next, there are vacancies from Swami Vivekananda High School. So they are hiring for the qualified lady teachers for primary and pre-primary classes. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 905-2240-989. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching the video, my dear friends.